All right, let's crush a Maxi Nerdle. Maxi Nerdle is a big old math equation that we have to figure out. I like to start with 24 divided by 6 plus 3 times 1 equals 7. Because it gets a bunch of stuff in there, dude, and we only get plus out of that, so reasonable chance there's subtraction. We have these parentheses and exponents to worry about. This could get a little weird. But at least there's no multiplication and division, because those are oftentimes the harder ones to figure out. Only 1s and 2s so far. Definitely would like to get some of these other numbers in there. Yeah, so let's just right off the bat go like 90. I don't know if that's way too big actually. Okay, so we could go, because we have to make it equal a single digit number. I guess I could subtract. I could go 90 and then like subtract something cubed. I could go 5 cubed and then subtract like 98. Yeah, maybe I just kind of ignore the 1 and the 2 for now. Let's do 5 cubed, which is 125, minus 98. So now we're down to 27. And then let's just subtract 5 squared, and that's 2. So we get both exponents in, which I think is useful. And then the rest of the numbers except for 0. And I'm moving the 2, which seems like a pretty good guess. Okay, there is a squared. There's no cubed. We do have subtraction. It only happens once. And we also have addition that I still have to worry about. We only have 1s and 2s, which seems kind of annoying. And we have to make this, so I guess we could square 1 and then like nothing's really happening. We do have parentheses as a possibility. All right, so I'm going to just put in a bunch of 1s and 2s and figure out how many of those there are, I think. I might even just do 3 1s and 3 2s. Try to do that. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. That equals 0. I could just go squared equals 0. So I'm checking both. We haven't used a 0 yet. Let's see if there's a 0. But really just checking to see. Oh, I already know there's 2 subtractions. So I don't love that, actually. I could go plus. Yeah. That almost works. 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 squared. Wait, yeah, 1. Yeah, 2 plus 1 minus 2 squared equals 0. That's perfect. Okay, so there are 2 1s, there are 2 2s. Subtraction didn't go there. I already knew that. There's not 2 plus signs. It doesn't equal 0. It also doesn't equal 2. So we actually know it equals 1 because it's the only number that can go here. So somehow this equation is going to equal 1. We might have multiple squares. We only have 2 numbers. This has to be a 1 as well. Plus, now this has to be a 2. This is kind of funny the way this is working out. Subtraction, I think, probably has to go here unless we're going to have another squared. 1 plus 2 minus. Okay. So we only have 2 signs. So how are we going to make this work? There might have to be parentheses. I might have to put parentheses here. No, because we're... Oh, it could be... Yeah, I think it's going to have to be parentheses, and then the parentheses are going to be squared. So I think the subtraction sign has to go here. 1 plus 2 minus 2 squared, I think is what this is. I could be wrong, but I think this is forced. So I'm just adding 0. That's the equation, dude. That's a Maxi Nerdle. That's how you crush one of those. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.